easy eyeshadow for beginners. The first thing we're going to do is take that light color and it's going to go all the way from the lash line all the way up to the brow. Next, we're going to take a medium color and we're going to add that directly to the crease. For a simple 2-color eye, this is all you need to do because look at how pretty this is when I'm done. Boom, that's it. Since we're here, let me go ahead and show you how I would sculpt my eye with that darkest color. First of all, I've got hooded eyes, so looking directly ahead in the mirror, I'm going to take that color just above where my eye would be opened and relaxed. That's going to make that big puffy eye hood look a little smaller. Next, I'm going to take that same dark color and I'm going to use it right along my lash line as if it were eyeliner. I love doing this with eyeshadow because it just gives a nice soft look. Then we're going to bring that color up slightly on the outside corner of the eye and just blend it toward the center. By doing it this way, you get just a little bit of a lifted look. Whatever's left on my brush is going to get swept under my eyes just like a soft eyeliner. Let's get those lashes curled high, get some mascara on, and take a look at what this looks like when we're done. If you've got a question or a comment, I'd love to hear it. See you in the next video.